Today I've got this really cool and very rare ICI all brass triangle padlock. It's well worn, but it works well still. I think the shackle's bent. I think that's supposed to be more rounded, so it looks like it's been sort of flattened out a bit there. I'm not going to mess about trying to reshape it. I'm just going to keep it as it is. Like I say, these are extremely rare. I know Chris Capoon's got one of these, and I know Baldylocks has picked one on his channel a while back. So yeah, really cool, rare padlock. Comes with the original key. You can see the number on the key. It's the same as the number on the lock. And on the key, on the one side it says safety, see over. Then on the other side it says responsibility is yours, carry key with you. Real super cool like this. Now to open this, you can't turn it fully. You turn it to there and it opens. And you can't lock it until the shackle's back in. So that's it, a real cool lock. So can we pick it? Well, I have picked it and it was a bit tricky to start with. So I'm going to see if I can do it again on camera. Now, when I picked it the first time, I was struggling and I just pulled the tension tool out a little bit and I managed to get it open. So we're going to try it again. Homemade bent nail tension tool, homemade pick. Like I say, really cool lock, but I don't want to be too heavy-handed with this. I certainly don't want to cause any damage to it. But it is a real cool lock. It'd be nice to pick it open on camera, but then I'm just going to stick it in my collection. I'm not going to be picking this regular. Got a little bit of movement then. Like I say, it is quite tricky to pick. Probably doing it in the hand is a bit trickier, but being triangle, got some more movement then. It's also very hard to do in the vice, so. That back lever is just, you hear it clicking. We're certainly on the right track because I've got some movement. Once you get that movement, you know, you're going to get it open. When you're picking away and you're not getting any movement on your tension tool at all, then it's best just to restart. But we did get the movement, so hopefully we'll get the open. Just bouncing off the levers. There's probably just one what I've not quite got. Like I say, I really don't want to be too forceful with it. We get it open. So yeah, really cool lock that. And that's a ICI, very, very rare padlock picked. And that's it for today. As always, thanks for watching and I'll see you again next time. Try it a bit.